LinkedIn, the global business and employment-based online service, decided to expand their Bangalore facility in Global Technology Park. The existing office occupies 4 floors and they wanted to have an amenity floor as an extension to their facility. We at Zyeta seized the opportunity to create a human-centric experiential design for LinkedIn with a subtle concept while keeping it true to LinkedIn's core values of inclusivity, diversity, and transformation. Zyeta's vision was to create a dream workspace that is enriched with design innovations, technology, economic efficiency, and to deliver it in a shorter period of time. The floor plate was designed as a magnet floor with a lot of amenities and experiential spaces like reception, a co-working lounge, a cafeteria, a gym, and on-site off-site experience space to attract employees from all the floors, making it a desirable space to be in. The workplace was thoughtfully designed to be agile, supporting a dynamic work environment that promotes productivity and collaboration. LinkedIn's design aims to stand out aesthetically with innovative storytelling and focuses on creating an engaging and immersive experience.